It is just an informal meet. I have nothing to prepare, but something I just like to share with you, like how we started this initiative. Basically, it was lockdown, so we both are working, like me and Suman. So Suman just came up with the idea of starting something. Uh, Something he just said, Let us start something like by both of us. Let's just start." So as always, like just people think, yeah, I also was like something very opposing kind. I said, yeah, kya hoga isse? Like how will it go? So thanks to him, how the way he motivated me, and he like made me feel ki, yeah, we should give a try. And then we are here after 1 year. So eventually we even thought ki if it doesn't go well, we'll surely drop it. But now I see like when people of around 200 people have joined us. So now that is our responsibility to take that ahead. So guys, with all your support, we are all running, and we are here like for 1 year. So it's actually amazing. So this is how we started. And actually the day behind this is like, actually it was planned like something around 31st September. But I just thought we have Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti on October 2nd. So why not make this day as the Consultant Council Day? So that's how we put this day and we started this website. So nothing much. So now I request a short video to be played by Suman. So that actually gives us a brief about of all the achievements, or also not achievements, all the things that we have done in the past. Suman, if you could play the video.
Yes, Bhanu. Yeah, sure. I'm presenting my screen. Just let me know whether it's visible. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. Is it visible, Bhanu?
Not yet. It is loading. It is loading.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, it's visible now. You can play that.
Okay. That's it.
Thanks, Suman, for the video. So this was just a short brief of what we have done this entire year, and on what also we will be doing up. So now I'll also see, as I said, this startup, this has also like the crucial role has been played by you all. So although we are not that big startup, but still as a token of thanks, we have just planned for a small certification or award type ceremony. So I'd be presenting and calling the names. So the first award category is like the best mentor. The mentors who has been like pillars of our foundation, like Consultant Council. So we just thought of honoring them with this thing. So first, like award will be presented to Jayashree. Suman, if you could please
Yeah,
share
yeah.
the
I'm
screen.
presenting this. Yeah.
Hi, Jayashree. thank you for being in consultant council and mentoring those people who needed help in this field. Jashi, are you able to hear?
Surprise. Yes, yes, yes. I'm glad. I'm glad to be part of it. I'm glad how this whole startup from an idea has come to an uh, place where we all are celebrating the 1 year anniversary. Congratulations to you and Suman.
Yes,
Thank you,
so
Jashi.
much.
Thank you. So next is Shilki. I guess she's not present. Uh, then it is Rahul. He is also not present, I guess. Nirali. Then Nirali. No. Asmita. No, I guess. Smita and Apurva. It's okay. Not a problem. So now we move on to category of best team member. So Suman, if you could move that slide, yeah. So here we have actually contacted people in LinkedIn. Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, Bhanu.
Yes, you can hear.
Thank you. So we have actually made a team from contacting like people from LinkedIn. So we have three teams: BD Bangalore, BD Bhubaneswar, and BD team uh, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, and
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. So first coming to BD Hyderabad, and the award is presented to Ritisha. Suman, if you could move the slide. Yeah. Hi, Ritisha.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And congratulations to everyone. It was really, really nice. Being with a startup which was more on trying to focus on the needs rather than just imparting the knowledge every time. And it was really, really amazing. Thank you so much and congratulations once again.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah,
Ritisha.
thank you. Thank you, Ritisha.
So moving on. The second one was BD Bangalore. So from here, I request Kshitij to come over. Kshitij. Yeah.
Thank you, Banu. Thank you,
Hi,
Suman.
Kshitij. Yeah.
And congratulations
Thanks,
to all.
Kshitij, for your wonderful contributions.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Banu. Actually, thank you
Yeah.
to you all for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this startup and just guiding the students and the professionals who are willing to work in professions where I have been since 2 and 3 years. Yeah, that is also knowledgeable for me as well, learning something new from you guys and all. Thank you. Thank you, Banu. and Suman.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you, Kshitij. So, guys, now I request Gautam to speak few words on Consultant Council. Hi, Gautam.
Yeah,
Gautam?
hello.
Yes.
Do
Could
you
you
hear me?
please like speak few words? Yeah.
Hi, Gautam.
Yeah, when I joined, it's like it was a very good initiative that I felt that people should be known how to, we should guide people what to do. For example, like I struggled a lot to get, like I had a passion for learning physics, right? So I was joined as an engineer. Then I transferred to physics right now. I'm currently doing PhD in Indian Institute of Science as well. So that I felt that the struggle I felt to do that, those things, people should know how to study and how to do that. So I had kind of agreed with Bhanu's and Suman's vision for that, and I really am happy to see what it is right now. And hopefully I can guide some people to do something, and somebody who are interested in physics, or somebody who is unfortunately joined as an engineer and wants to do physics, has passion for physics. So maybe I
Sure,
can
Gautam.
help
Thank
them,
you. Thank you,
guide them
Gautam.
how it works.
Sure, Gautam. That was our motive actually, basically like helping someone who is actually very new to such kind of fields.
Yeah.
Thanks, Gautam. Now I request Verika to speak few words. Verika.
Yes, hi everyone.
Hi.
Congratulations for this 1 year of anniversary. Is it
Thanks.
audible?
Yeah, it is audible.
I would like to say that it's a good initiative to those to provide guidance for those who really need. And I'm a water resource engineer, and I would be glad to provide guidance for those who in water resource stream. So once again, I would like to say that happy anniversary.
Thanks
Congratulations.
very much. Thanks a lot.
Okay, welcome.
Now I request Kavya to speak few words. Kavya.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Hi,
First of
Kavya.
all, congratulations the whole team. Though I
Thanks.
have recently associated with this, but I've been following the whole process and your programs since the 1 year, and I really liked the idea. And when you approached me, I thought this was the great chance to be associated with this. So overall, thank you, and then congrats everyone.
Thanks. Thanks, Kavya. Nimai, if you could speak few words.
Hello.
Yeah, Nimai. Yeah, you're audible.
It's been wonderful knowing this kind of startup to come. It's a new kind of thing, and is what's excited me to come and join. And knowing from the hostel itself, I know like how you work for things. So this was the one thing that actually made me come to you. I feel sometimes not good that I cannot give you much of the time due to
No,
some
not a,
other reason. But
not a problem.
let's say more, there will be more things to come ahead, and I hope I can also contribute towards your goals and achievements further. It's nice
Thanks.
having
Thanks.
in this group.
Sure, Nimai. Yeah. It's nice to have you here, Evan. So coming to the conclusion part, as it is a short meeting, just I wanted to share a small, like a small event with you all. So recently I have been to Delhi for actually a SSB interview. So basically SSB actually a service selection board interview for Army, Navy and Defense personnel. So there actually I just wanted to say something like what happened there. So basically their officers are asking about us to introduce themselves. So people were saying like few people were saying like they have 2-3 years of experience from Accenture, somebody from TCS, somebody from Infosys and all and all and all. So I thought ki, what do I have? And when I mentioned that word, yeah, I have started something called Consultant Council and this provides me that. So everybody like the attention was here. Then they started asking me on that. So I just felt ki, wow, like this is actually awesome, like everywhere. And to be honest, like I work for Infosys, like that doesn't give me that satisfaction than working here for Consultant Council. Although I spend little bit of more time, but still it never feels like a burden for me. And trust me, it has been like wonderful interacting with you all, getting knowledge from you all. Every step has been like a continuous process. So that's really awesome. And just I feel ki if somebody has not motivated me just like Suman, so thanks to Suman even, then we couldn't have started this.
No, Manu. Thanks
So-
to you, like because you supported me throughout the journey, and thank you to all the team members, like who were there in the top time. So if I frankly say, it's not a great startup, I know. So actually, we are improving. We are trying to improve ourselves. So yeah, thank you all for joining and supporting. Like if you tell, like if you ask me frankly, like we have given sessions to many people, and if you like if you listen their reviews, it's great. They actually say that okay, it's beautiful, and they are referring their friends and colleagues. You can think like okay, he is the founder, so he is telling us these things. Not like that. I have many friends like they are really getting benefit. So this is the only purpose. If I say frankly, we are not here to get some benefit or profit. Of course, that is the long-term goal. I might not say that, okay, it's not the goal, but initial purpose is to help people, those who are in need of the guidance. Because I personally feel when I was in like engineering, at that time my uncle told me to go for the MBA. Then I joined CAT. Like Time, you guys know, Time is a CAT preparing institution who provides preparation for CAT. So I joined that. Then my teacher told me, okay, go for GATE. Then I started preparing GATE, and then I listened to some of the motivational speakers. They told, okay, go for government exam. That's good. Then I go for the government exam. So if you ask me, so I am like, okay, this field, this field, this field. But at the end, I realize these are all not the cup of my tea. But I have interest that software engineering or software field. Then I have gone to Bangalore. Then I started preparing, and I have cracked some interviews. Then I started doing project. Then I launched that initiative. So yeah, overall this is the idea. So thank you, Bhanu, who was there always and supported me. So thank you all. We hope we will grow and we will rock. So thank you for joining this evening. Thank you for giving
Yeah,
this valuable time
just
to us.
yeah. Yeah, just before closing, just if I seek any feedback or any suggestions from anyone.
Yes, please. It's a informal meeting. You guys can share your thoughts.
Yeah.
Whatever thoughts you have, please share. You are most welcome.
Anyone?
I think we are doing really great. You actually doing the really great job. I barely get a chance to attend or give counseling, but which I have done. I think I have put an impact on few of the students or whoever I have given the
True.
counseling. Yeah. So I barely get chance, so I don't think so. I have much to give a feedback about or to suggest where you need improvement or such a thing. But yeah, as of now, I think we are all doing a great job. We should go like this.
Sure, Satish, sure. Thanks. Even that factor, after the session, the words from the person who has actually taken guidance is actually very inspiring. Like he feels very happy about this thing. So that's what motivates us. Come on, let's do that hard. So yeah, thanks. Actually, thanks for the session. Even. Anyone else who would like to share any instance or any feedback regarding or anything? It's okay. We have 6 more minutes.
Yeah, hello, Banu.
Yeah, Kavya. Yes, Kavya.
Yeah. So about this initiative, I've actually spoken to many of my friends and colleagues and everyone, and they seem to be like, oh wow, you have so many people from so many different fields and all. Like we see that if you want to go to US, you have a special counseling, or if you want to study, you have different things. Like they are very specialized things. But I
Yeah.
think this platform where we have so many people coming from so many different fields, I think that is like a plus point, and I really definitely think this idea will take us all really far. That's what I want to say. Like the feedback which we are getting, and people are actually coming forward and asking, okay, can we do this? What about this field and everything? So I think people from different, you gathered like so much of people from different fields. I think that's where we should applaud you guys that you have brought us all together on one platform.
No, not really, but Kavya. People like you supported. That's why it happened.
These
Yeah.
small steps are very important because we are a community. We have different mentors from different companies, different fields. So
Yeah.
the small contribution that makes sense. So yeah, that's it.
If anyone else wants to share anything, please.
I would want to say one thing.
Yes,
I'm very surprised and very happy to see the structure the startup has. No matter what the size is, no matter what it is generating in terms of revenue or in terms of students, the way the startup is growing in terms of the communications from the structure, it was so defined. And I was so happy that when Banu called me last year at the same time, I was very excited because I'm specializing in fashion startup area. I work for fashion startups. So I was very excited to see someone from my school coming up with the idea, because I wish we had this platform way back when we were in 10th, so that it was easy for us for not making a lot of years waste and then understand after all those years, okay, this is my area where we have already gone like 4-5 years. So in terms of structure, in terms of how he communicates, how the whole startup communicates in the WhatsApp, be it the way, be the language, that was very impressive. That's not something which comes from a startup generally. Like generally when people start, become very clumsy because they are very constant on the idea. But this has a very good foundation, and that's what I feel is one big plus point of the startup and the team.
And yeah, actually, thanks, Jashi, for having such a wonderful experience from you all over and such a versatile field you have actually. That actually improves us even more. Thanks, Jashi.
Yeah. Thank you, Jesse. We always try to make it simple and like straightforward.
Yeah, thank you, team. Thank you, everybody. The way everyone is involved and the way everyone comes, even not seeing how the big or how small. It's not about the size. The way everybody put into the startup was huge.
That's true. So guys, anyone else wants to share anything?
No, it's Vanu. We can wind up now.
Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, thank you all for joining this evening and making this small evening very much beautiful. So I'm happy you all joined, and let's continue this startup and grow and more and celebrate such anniversaries regularly.